I'm Scott, I'm Gardiner, and this is the city of Gardiner, Maine that you're looking at the Hannaford in Gardiner, Maine, and Subway and Dunkin' Donuts. And as you can see, like, shit is absolutely going off the fucking rails. All of Maine is flooding right now. Like, it hasn't been this bad since the flood of '87. And as you can see, there are people canoeing over there to people. This is unfucking real. Yeah, I've never seen anything like this in person before.
Pretty impressive. Though, I was telling her the flood of '87, up to the ceiling in Hannaford, and this was underwater.
Yeah.
But I call it the bowling alley. It's not bowling alley anymore.
Yeah, it was still a bowling alley until only like 15 years ago.
Yeah. I miss it.
Yeah, I work at McDonald's up there.
Oh, yeah. Are you guys open?
No.
Power?
No.
I was going to say you.
Yeah, I was supposed to work there yesterday too, but yeah, I was out of power yesterday also.
Yeah.
Yeah, I also had to use the detour, like going through Pittston, Whitefield, Randolph, Dulce.
Oh, yeah. I guess my oldest daughter lives out in Chelsea. And anyway she goes, it's flooded, so she's basically stuck at home. With no power and 2 kids.
Is this flood gonna be higher than the flood of '87?
Well, I don't know because high tide hasn't come in yet. No, it won't be as bad as because in April of '87 we had a lot of rain. There was a lot of snow, so that all melted. Yeah. We don't have the snow. Must be the cops or somebody talking in there. Oh, somebody else. Oh.
Yeah,
This is gonna get interesting.
Yeah, this road is basically a boat launch right now.
Yeah, seriously.
Yeah, and back then, Hannaford, it was when all Hannafords were called shop and saves.
Yeah, yeah. They were, like I said, it was up to their ceiling. Things are floating out. Are they going to get them, or what are they doing? Do you want to get the Elise, so you can keep it?
Yeah, this is the type of stuff that goes viral on TikTok, YouTube, stuff like that.
You got it. Just got a video. Okay. Because we can say we were here.
It feels like I'm dreaming right now because I've never seen anything like this before.
Yeah.
In person.
Last flood we had was pretty bad. This one's like to shame.
Yeah.
Oh, like the one a year ago?
Just
A few months, yeah.
last fall? Oh, last spring?
So yeah.
Oh, no, they're not.
They might be searching for people that might be still inside Hannaford.
Well. Or maybe they gotta check their, I don't know if they got propane tank or whatever. Or maybe they just need dinner.
Yeah, my mom's panicking at home like she doesn't know what to get for grocery. Yeah, they might be searching for people still inside.
Well, maybe that's still inside. Idiots.
Yeah, it kind of looks like there's lights still on in there. Yeah, I feel like I'm in a disaster movie right now. Like I'm a
Especially
character.
when I had to go up to Augusta earlier today, and the lines for gas at the gas stations were unreal.
Yeah, I wonder if I'm gonna have school tomorrow.
I doubt it.
Yeah, I live in Petston.
You go to Gardiner High?
No, I actually go to Richmond.
Oh yeah, I doubt it. I'd be surprised.
I did still have school today, like when pretty much every school around us was canceled.
Really? They still had it?
Yeah.
Wow.
We got released early from school at 1 o'clock yesterday.
Yeah. Oh, look at the look. What's oh, it was a little thing for bottles.
Oh, they might be stopping pollution. Yeah,
Just having fun. It's like
yeah, 1 year in downtown Hall in the Kennebec River when it froze up, there was a dumpster out there.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
Yeah. Yeah, that's probably all.
Yeah, I think it's supposed to start getting 8 feet higher by tomorrow, and that will be the flood's peak. Here's the boat launch I was talking about, which is on Maine Avenue, Route 24 here in Gardiner. My camera cut out for a second, I think. And I have respect to these people going out and making sure that everybody is okay. Searching for anybody that might be in there, I think. I think that's what's going on. That right there is an unlucky sight. A Subaru Outback being about like half submerged in the water. Yeah, this is another view of the Hannaford parking lot. And that was just over there, like out behind Percy Bailey Auto Sales. You gotta respect these people. Right here is kind of clusterfuck also, because as you can see, this traffic signal is out. That's a 4-way traffic signal. And I've seen a few near collisions here. Don't know what that was all about. Yeah, and yeah, I've seen like the horn be laid on a few times here. Here's a more up-close view of Hannaford here in Gardiner. Yeah, and indeed, the electricity is on in there. The store is flooding. And again, those are the people there that I respect. Bye, guys.